Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. For the sake of simplicity, I am going to make all my parts in assembly and make them here as well, okay? Assemble it as well. So let's start. So click on insert components, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normalcy to the view. Select center point rectangle and draw the rectangle as per your shape requirement. In my case, it will be 300 by 200. Press escape. Select this point. By pressing Ctrl select this line. Click on make midpoint constant. Notice the state become black. It means the sketch is fully defined. Now what I will do, I will go to the features, click on extrude boss base. Enter the thickness as per your requirement. I think 5 mm is fine for me. 10 mm is quite big. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch. Go to the center line and draw a center line here. I am going to use this center line to make it mirror command. Now I will draw a center line again. Escape. Select this line. Click on offset entities. Click on bidirectional. 10 mm is fine. Click OK. Select these two lines by pressing Ctrl. Make sure to convert into construction geometry. Now I will draw some shape like this. Escape. Now let's give them dimensions. You can give the custom dimension as per your requirement, but I am using my dimensions. Click OK. Now click on mirror entities. Select these lines. Mirror about this line. Click OK. Now what I will do, click on mirror entities, select all the line. Now mirror about this line. Just in case if it is not showing, make sure that you have checked the copy, else you will face issues. Go to the features, extrude. How much extrude you want? So you can extrude as per your requirement. In my case, 300 is fine for me. All dimensions are in mm. Now what I will do, I will exit this, select this face, click on sketch. Now I will make a part here. So basically exit. What I will do, click on insert components, click on new part, select this face. Go here, click on center rectangle. Before start drawing, make sure no external references checked on. I saw lots of comment complaining, hey, my mate is not working, blah blah blah. So yes, no external reference checked on. Make sure that you observe the video carefully. Draw this, okay? Click OK. Give it a length width 260, 40, and that is 20. That will be 130. Go to the features, extrude. How much? Uh, Not 300 obviously. 50 is fine for me. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Draw a center line. Escape. 90. 45. Increase its value. 150 is fine. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Go here. Draw a center rectangle. Give it a height and width. 270. 40. Escape. By pressing Ctrl select this line and this point. Make it mid constant. Go to the fillet. Add a fillet here as well. Fillet is 10 mm. Click OK. Features. Extrude. 5. OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Click on convert entities. My bad. Select this face. Click on convert entities. Go to the features. Extrude. Click on thin feature. Reverse the direction of thickness. Reduce the value of thickness to 5. Increase the length of it. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Draw a center line here. Center line basically means, when I say center line, basically means construction line. Move it here and by pressing controls like this, make it constant. Click on center constraint slot. Twenty, 10. Features extrude cut. How much? 20 is fine for me. Click OK. Exit at semi-component mode. Go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make sure it's parallel. Click OK. And what you have to do is right click on this part, make it fixed so that this part is not able to move. This part is move up and down, that's not an issue, but this part should not be moved. Now what I will do, I will select this plane, click on here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for now mask into the view. Make sure next on reference is checked on. In my case it's default, it is checked on, but I don't know about your case. 40, 200, 60, 5. OK. Features, extrude, reverse direction, make it mid plane. For those who don't know what is I'm doing here right now, I highly recommend check out my free courses link in description. It is not like you are going to pay or something. It's totally free of cost. Now I will make some holes here. Center line. Format and 40, 80, 20, 30, 15, 50, make it 5 mm fillet. Features extrude cut through all, click OK. Now I need something called a motor here, so how can I achieve it? Let's say other issue. So exit the assembly component mode. Click on here, new parts like this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. So what I will do, go to the center slot. Make a hole here, give them dimensions, 80 is fine, 60 is fine, and go here, define sketch. I made some reels, I guess, about this, how to use it. So yeah, you can go and check out there. Okay, my bad, my bad. Just cancel this circle. Right now, I will make a cut here later onwards. So extrude 100 is fine, I guess. Select this face, click on sketch and rectangle. 8, 16, fillet 2, okay, draw the line like this, escape, draw the line like this, escape, mirror entities, select this line, mirror about this one, click ok, and mirror entities, select this, mirror about this line, click ok, extrude cut, click ok, select this face, click on sketch, and draw a circle here, extrude cut, click ok, exit at second component mode, click on here, click on new part, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle here, extrude, click ok, select this face, click on here, drag a bigger circle here, give it a dimension as per your requirement, 100 is fine for me. Make it fully defined sketch, it will automatically define everything. Go to features, extrude, 25 is fine, I guess. Select this face, click on sketch. Draw a circle here, give it a dimension. It is fine for me. Escape, select this line, make it construction, and draw a circle. Give it a dimension. Uh, how much? 20 is fine. Extrude. Yep, this much is fine. Click OK. Exit as one component mode. Just make it plain white. Now, how can I do the mates? So go to the mates, mechanical, slot, select the slot and select this, click OK, select this and this face. Go to the standard, make it concentric. Okay, my bad. Before I move forward, right click this part, make it fix as well. Fix as well. Sorry for the fumble. Here, concentric, click OK. Select this, click OK. So if I before I rotate it, I need to define distance. So I will select this face and this face. Click on distance to define some values. 3 mm is fine. Yeah, camera is fine, I guess. Click OK. So if I just see it is working fine, yes, it's working fine. Now let's give them some color so that they look good. So we go here, appearances, paint it, spray it, or paint. I think this one goes this color. This one goes on the color. On this one. And base goes back to metallic gray. Let's see how does it look like. So this is how it looks like right now. Now let's go. Now to do the animation, go to the motion, motor, select this face. Let's say 360 distance, 360 0 to 5 seconds. Looks good. Go here, increase the FPS to 30. Click OK. If I click on calculate, I'm getting the animation. Hmm, that's look good. So in that way you can make this and looks quite good as well. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.